Ladies and gentlemen, gather around, because today we are talking about money, the thing that makes the world go round and somehow never stays in my bank account long enough for me to admire it. I know some of you checked your balance this morning and thought, is my bank pranking me? Where did my money go? But don't worry, we've all been there. Finance is like a relationship. If you don't pay attention, one day you wake up and it's gone with someone else. Here's the good news. Being broke is only temporary, but being financially smart is a lifelong skill. You don't need to rely on winning the lottery, even though we've all searched for how to win the lottery at least once. What you truly need is a solid plan. First, budget like your life depends on it, because it does. If you make $100,000 a month and spend $120,000, congratulations. You're practicing advanced witchcraft called negative balance sorcery. Stop it. Second, invest. Your money should be working harder than a student cramming the night before an exam. Put it in stocks, real estate, or even that small business idea. But remember, I saw it on TikTok is not a valid investment strategy. Third, stop buying things to impress people who don't even like you. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max won't matter when you're eating stale bread without peanut butter for dinner. Get your priorities straight. Lastly, be patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Even Elon Musk didn't wake up rich. Okay, maybe he did, but you get my point. Consistency is the secret sauce. Buffett says, don't save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving. If you want to become wealthy, you must allocate some of your current earnings towards the future. By saving first, you eliminate the problem of not having enough money to save at the end of the month. So, my friends, if you're broke today, don't worry. With the right mindset, discipline, and a little humor to survive the struggle, you might just be the next billionaire in the making. Now go forth, budget wisely, and for heaven's sake, stop impulse buying things at 2 a.m. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more of this video. Shalom.